Hello guys, if you would like to change your old boring holder, let me show how to make a new custom made plastic one. You're gonna need epoxy, silicone mold and acrylic paint. I'm gonna use that dark blue acrylic color and I'm gonna mix with the epoxy. I use only a very little paint and mix it well. It's very pigmented but still transparent. My silicone mold is basically an ice maker I purchased at IKEA for a couple of dollars. And this is that I'm gonna use to fill it up with the epoxy. As you see, I get a really beautiful dark blue color, and let's fill it up the mold. If somebody wouldn't know, you can purchase epoxy at Home Depot or Lowe's. It came in 2 bottles and you have to mix as much as you need. So let's fill it up each of all. It's a lot of small bubbles in the epoxy, so I'm gonna use a heat gun or you can use a hair dryer and warm up the surface and all bubbles gonna pop out. You can see how easily clear up. And now we have to leave alone for a half day or overnight and continue when it's cured. So next day, after pop out from the silicone mold, we have the beautiful holder. Now I'm gonna drill a small hole at the middle. It's easier to do if you leave the holder at the silicone mold. It's gonna be easier to install. Only a little tiny bit of oil and I have to repeat and drill all of them. You can drill the hole however comfortable for you. Just do it very safe and slow. Let's install the holders. You're gonna need a screwdriver. You're gonna hold it secure and slowly twist the plastic holder and it make their own way. This is very simple and easy. And that's it, we are done. So we have the new custom made plastic holders. I choose blue color because it's matching with my decoration. I hope you guys like it. That was a very inexpensive project. All holders cost around $2 or $3. Thank you guys for stopping by and watching my video. I hope it inspired you to make your own. Thank you for the thumbs up and have a wonderful day.